news, guys. SEEDANCE 2.0 is free again. I'm going to show you this platform that enables you to create unlimited videos using SEEDANCE 2.0. So if you have ever been dreaming of using SEEDANCE 2.0, watch this.
Today, we do not fight for glory. Then what do we fight for? We fight for legacy. And today, history will remember us.
Beautiful, right? Perfect lip sync, voice over clay, image quality, consistent in the character. Guys, this is mind-blowing. And at the end of this video, I will tell you what to do to keep creating aside having different emails in. Immediately I saw it, I had to on my camera. Guys, let's go. So guys, you're going to head over to your Chrome browser and type config cloud. Now once you type, please take note the website here is the first one that looks like, and it will take you into this interface and this amazing UI. It looks confusing. You can't find where you can log in, right? But I will show you how you can access this. So go ahead and click here, try config cloud for free. Now it will take you into where you have to sign in. That is where the magic begins. Guys, pay attention and follow step by step to access SEEDANCE 2.0 for free. Now watch, you say log into your account, new here, sign up with Google to get 400 free credits every month. I'm going to show you how you can use SEEDANCE 2.0 here for free. Guys, go ahead and log in with your Google. Okay, and log in with Google because we already have an email address, right? Go ahead and click here, select your email and start the login process. Guys, we are in. So the moment you are in the interface, this is what it's going to look like, and you can easily, go through and know what the platform is about. Close it, right, and come down here. You're going to see templates. Okay, now this is assets. We have node library, we have model library, we have workflows, we have apps, and we have templates. So come here and click on these templates. All right, so this is what we are going to do. All the templates are here. The moment you click this all templates, you're going to have all the templates, and you can see SEEDANCE here. All the SEEDANCE are here, like SEEDANCE 2.0, SEEDANCE human reference, SEEDANCE 2.0 real human, SEEDANCE 2.0 reference to video. So let's start with this image to video. Okay, or you can even try with image with text to video. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. Go ahead and select the one you want to use. Look at all the text to video, first last frame. Okay, so you can go ahead and test it. Okay, test it to see how it works. This is beautiful, guys. So if you have text to video, okay, we are going to go ahead and let's use text to video first, then we'll come back and use image to video. So you click on this text to video. Once you click on this text to video, you're going to have an interface like this. This is a node. Okay, now look at here, impute model, you can see, and then this is the video is saved to this. So once you impute everything, this is where it's going to. Now if you look up here, you're going to see some number of credits that is going to be used to generate this video, right? So let's go ahead and get our prompt from ChatGPT just to test run it for you to see here, right? Awesome. So once you are done, you can actually zoom it using your mouse. Okay, your mouse to zoom in to really see what is there. Duration 5 seconds. You see the ratio is 16 by 9. You can select it, click this drop down button to select any one of your choice. Then you can click here to literally reduce the what's it called, the resolution. Okay, you can click there to reduce the resolution, and you can hold down the box and drag it, see as it is wrapped, right? So you can see everything very well. Then look at the model here, SEEDANCE 2.0, SEEDANCE 2.0 fast, and the main SEEDANCE is here, and then the main SEEDANCE is, look at the credit changes, and fast, look at it reduces the credits. Okay, so guys, this is it. Our text to video is ready, so we are about to move to the next stage. Guys, remember when I told you every time you sign up, okay, they give you free credit. Okay, click on where you have your email, this profile here. You're going to see this is free, and I have 401 credits. Do you understand? This is it. Across everything now runs on comfy credit. So you see, and now look at how much this is going to cost. 118.8, and then this credit renews every month according to the platform. That's what they said. So don't panic, okay? Basically, I'm using SEEDANCE 2.0 fast, right? Good, because it reduced. Look at my credit has reduced. So if you use the SEEDANCE 2.0, it increases the credit. So which one will you prefer? Okay, so you use any one of your choice, and I just want to show you that you can use SEEDANCE here. Okay, so I'm going to use SEEDANCE 2.0 fast. You can use the main SEEDANCE 2.0. It's still the same thing. All right, so once you are done, right, to confirm everything is correct, this is 7, duration is 7. I can reduce it to 6 seconds, right? 6 seconds. You see, once the duration reduces, the credit reduces. So if you reduce it to 4 seconds, it reduces to 67. Can you see? So let's keep it at 4 seconds is okay, because my script is not long. So if you have a longer script, so imagine you want to create for 30 seconds and you hit it, you see, it means you can create on this platform up to 15 seconds long. Yes, you can create on this platform up to 15 seconds long, just like you are seeing here. Okay, so I'm going to take it back to 6 seconds. So this is beautiful. Go ahead and run. Now what I like about this platform, like you can see, there is no complex situation at all. Now look at it. It status, the status is running time elapsed 7 seconds. So I'm not going to close this. I want to show you how these things really work, so that you will not say I don't understand. Now it is very important that you understand that it uses the duration. The higher your duration, the higher the credit you spend. Guys, this is getting like, this is awesome, guys. So the video you are generating is going to be here, okay, by this side, and you can see it has generated it. And look at the number of this succeeded price, 102.5 credits. Just like, you know, there's not much different from what is here, what was, you know. So like I said, take note, the higher your duration, the higher your cost. So you can use this to generate your image to video. It's the same process. Okay, so let's play and see the output.
Why do most people fail?
Because they wait.
Why do most people fail?
Because they wait.
Lip sync is so excellent. I love the lip sync. I love the words. It's not speaking like robots, you know. It's not robotic. It's not AI slop. Guys, this is beautiful. Let's head back to our template to use image to video, so that I can see what I'm trying to say. Let's see what is going to happen if we generate image to video, guys. So if now look at the moment you click that image to video, you're going to have all these box. Now all these box is telling you that you can upload many images. Look at image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. You can see that, right? Use this platform. Now look at it. Every node is connected to here. You have the image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, video 1, audio 1, asset 1, the model 2. SEEDANCE 2.0. So it has everything here. It will give you both the sound and everything. So let's take a typical example. Let's go and generate. Okay, I don't want this, right? If any box you don't want, any of the images you don't want, okay, if you want to generate 2 images, 3 images, and what is there is more, okay, you can go ahead and click on any of these box. Then it will appear like this. What you need to do is to click that delete. Okay, you see image, but you can literally delete it. I mean, if you, yeah, you can delete it. Look at it. I've deleted that one. They can drag this one here and delete it, because of course, why do I bypass if I don't need it? Then if you want, like, before you delete, please be sure of the number of images you want to create. Okay, beautiful. So I want to create let's say, okay, let's go and get a prompt. Okay, so let's use an image from ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and download this image to my folder so that we can use this for our creation. Okay, now you go ahead and download this and copy the dialogue part, the animation part. That is, I have the character consistency here, so I'm going to copy here everything, to the asset, to the audio and everything. Highlight everything, Ctrl A and Ctrl V. That is pressed it. Then this is image 1. You're going to click this box. Let's zoom in so I can see. Click in this little box inside to bring in our image. Okay, the image I just downloaded from ChatGPT as the first image. This is it, the first one. Beautiful. So we are here, right? So this is okay, scene 1. We are going to specify here. Let's write something so that this is image 1. Yes, image 1. Then paste everything there, right? That is like scene 1, scene 2. So come here, click here and bring in your image in. Let's take this up so that I can see what we are doing, guys. So like I said, always reduce this resolution. When you reduce this credit reduces, and then change it to our aspect ratio. Our aspect ratio is 16:9, and then change this to, should we use 12 seconds? Yes, 12 seconds. Okay, so it's okay, that's increased it. And then look at it. Let's see. This is our image 1, right? This is where the node is going. Okay, and let's take it so that I can see it. This is image 1, right? This is image 2. Awesome, great. So I have included that way here in the prompt also. Remember, the prompt says watch. I've said image 1, image 2. Okay, so I've given the prompt and the dialogue and everything. So let's see, let's go ahead and run this. Now look at the number of credits used, because I've increased the duration to 12, but I can still reduce it to call it 8. Okay, now it reduces my credits. Awesome. So let's go ahead and run this, guys. This is just one of the best AI model I have seen so far. Look at it. Warning status is running. You can see waiting for asset processing. You see, beautiful. 8 seconds, like I requested, exact time. Guys, this is so nice. Let's go ahead and play it. Let's see.
Today, we do not fight for glory. Then what do we fight for? We fight for legacy.
I love it. This is perfect. Let's play it again.
We do not fight for glory. Then what do we fight for? We fight for legacy. And today, history will remember us.
So if you want to generate up to 15 seconds, you can give up to the 3 videos, the 3 images, 4 VA images for different scenes, and you're going to have consistency. Did you hear the voiceover, the perfect in the lip sync? This is mind-blowing. If you don't like the video, please go ahead and give this video a like and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. For you to keep generating using SEEDANCE 2.0, you need to have many Google profiles. I have up to 50 Google profiles in my laptop, so I need to open a different one. So imagine you having up to 5 different Google profiles. You know what that means, right? Unlimited. Guys, go and try it. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. And hey guys, if you have any video requests, please feel free, drop it in the comment section. And thank you for the returning viewers for always standing by me. I see you. I love you. Thank you. See you in the next one.